Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back. My name is Swati Sharma, Atmiya Green School, Jhareshwar, Bharuch, Class 8 Maths, and our topic is running out practical geometry. In our previous video, we have learned about how to draw a diagonal, how to draw a quadrilateral when all four sides and a diagonal are given, and when two diagonals and three sides are given. Now, when two adjacent sides and three angles are given, then how to draw a quadrilateral? Let's see. Construct a quadrilateral MIST where MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter, IS is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and three angles are given: angle M, angle I, and angle S. Okay. Now let's construct. First of all, draw a rough diagram. So you have to decide what is your step of construction. So first of all, we have draw MI 3.5 centimeter, that is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now from I, make ISY 120 centimeter, 120 degree, because in C, MI is 3.5 centimeter and IS is given, that is 6.5 centimeter. IS is given, that is 6.5 centimeter. Okay. So you have to draw IS is 6.5. Okay. Now take 120 degree where ISY is 120 degree. Okay. This is your ISY, that is 120 degree. Okay. Now what to do? ISY is 120 degree. Now our next step is make IMZ is equal to 75 degree. I, M and Z is 75 डिग्री मीन्स एम एंगल आपको एम एंगल पर 75 डिग्री का एंगल बनाना है. ओके. नाउ इट इज़ योर required quadrilateral. Now let's see how to construct if the question is given. Okay. Now our question exercise 4.3 question number 1. Let's construct this question. Now see exercise 4.3. You have to construct a quadrilateral MORE where MO and OR is given, angle MO and angle R is given. Okay. Now first draw a rough sketch. So you have to decide the what is the point of construction. Okay. Now draw MO, that is 6 centimeter. MO is 6 centimeter. Okay, because MO is given 6 centimeter. Okay. Now it's given angle M is 60 degree. You know how to draw angle 60 degree angle. Okay. Let's draw M as a center and draw and taking arbitrary radius and draw an arc. Okay. And जो आर्बिट्ररी रेडियस आपने ली है वहाँ से ही आपको कट करना है, डेट इज़ योर 60 डिग्री. इट्स योर 60 डिग्री. ड्रॉ एन लाइन ऑफ 60 डिग्री. Understand? This is your 6 centimeter. Now OR is, this angle is 105 degree. This angle is 105. Let's draw. First taking O as a center, draw an arc. Now 60 degree. First cut is 60 degree. Now second cut is 120 degree. And in both of middle point of this is 90 degree. It's our 90 degree. But we don't need 90 degrees, so we have draw dotted line. Okay, because we have to draw 105 degree. Okay. Now in 90 and 120, in between 90 and 120 we have find 105 degree. 105 degree. Okay. So bisector of 90 and 120 is a 105 degree. So draw this bisector of 90 and 120. Okay. Let's draw a bisector of 90 and 120. Okay. And remember taking distance of these 2 points, 90 degree and 120 degree. Okay. Understand? Now draw an arc and draw another arc. This is your point. This is your 105 degree. Now draw a solid line because you have find 105 degree. Okay, and it's your 105 degree. Now it's given OR is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now first taking 4.5 centimeter distance in compass. Okay, and draw. This is your point R, this is your point R, and this line, this difference is 4.5. Now we have draw for 105 again on R. Then we turn the page. सहूलियत के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, पेज को टर्न करेंगे एंड नाउ ड्राइंग ऑफ 105 डिग्री सेल. अंडरस्टैंड. $60, $120, then $90, and $90 and $120. Between $90 and $120 we have draw 105. First draw dotted line. Understand. In between of these two line we have draw 105 degree. Okay, this is your 105 degree. This is your required quadrilateral. Understand, this is your required quadrilateral. And write down the step of construction. Write down the step of construction. Now second question is quadrilateral PLAN. Okay, these are given. First draw rough diagram and draw PL is equal to 4 centimeter. Now it's given angle P is equal to 90 degree. Draw 90 degree angle. Okay, it's your 90 degree angle. Taking a line of 90 degree. Okay, आपको लाइन थोड़ी बड़ी लेनी है ताकि आगे हम उसे मिला सकें. इट्स 90 डिग्री एंड इट्स 4 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ एंगल A is 110 and angle N is 85 degree. Okay, now see here angle N is 85 degree and angle A is 110 degree. Okay, but we don't know where is N and where is A. So first of all we have find the angle L because we know three angles. Then fourth angle we know about from the property of quadrilateral, means angle sum property of quadrilateral. All sum of all the angles is 360 degree. Then we find the L. Okay, what is angle L? Angle L is 285 plus angle L is equal to 360 degree. (360 minus 285), that is 75 degree. Now we know what is angle L. So draw angle L 75 degree. First we draw 60 degree, then 90 degree. Okay, first we draw 60, 120 and 90. It's our 90 degree. Then 60 and 90. In between 60 and 90, the bisector of 60 and 90 is a 75 degree. Okay, so we draw 60 and 90 in between 75 degree. Okay, draw it. Okay, now we have to draw. Okay, this is our 75 degree. Understand? Now draw the line, solid line. Okay, this is our 75 degree angle. Okay, now it is given LA is 6.5 centimeter. Now taking L as a center and radius of 6.5 centimeter, and draw an arc of this 75-degree line. So it is your point A. This is your point A. Okay. Now in this point we have to 110 degree. So turn the page. So turn the page. Now we have taken 110 degree with the help of protractor, and we have to go 110 degree, and it's our 110 degree angle. Understand? This point is called N, and this is our 85 degree, and this is our 110 degree. Understand? This type you have to make PLNA. This is our required quadrilateral PLNA. Understand? Okay. And sum of all angle is 360 degree. Understand? This type you have to. And now next is parallelogram HEAR. HE is equal to 5 centimeter, EA is equal to 6 centimeter, and angle R is equal to 85 degree. Okay. Here parallelogram है HERE. One angle is only given, this, that is angle R. Angle R is 85 degree. Okay, and HE is equal to 5 centimeter. If R is 85, then E is also 85 because opposite angle are equal in parallelogram. So we have find on other two angles because opposite angles are equal. So angle sum property से हम find कर लेंगे. This is 95, and now HE is 5 centimeter and EA is 6 centimeter. So we have given all the four sides and all the four angles. So you have draw easily. Okay, understand? Let's draw 5 centimeter. Now okay, now taking a protractor and draw 85 degree from E. See where you measure. If the 0 is outside, then you measure outsider scale, and if 0 is inside, then you read inside scale. Okay, this is your 85 degree. Okay, draw a line. Now 95 degree, 6 centimeter. So taking EA is equal to 6 centimeter and draw an arc, taking E as a center. This is your A point. This is your A point, that is 6 centimeter. Understand? Two adjacent sides are given. Okay. Now again here you are taking 95 degree. Take 95 degree. नाइन्टी एंड 100 के बीच में आएगा 95. ओके, नाउ okay, now again this is our again 6 centimeter. So taking H as a center and draw an arc. So it's your point R and join them. Join these two lines, 2 points. It's your required quadrilateral HEAR. Okay, understand? Now next one, fourth one is your homework. Do it by yourself. Okay, it's a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal in a rectangle and all angles are 90 degree. If angle is not given, then you know all angles are 90 degree in a rectangle. Okay, have a good day.